Hello, in this video I'm gonna explain how to right click on your HP Chromebook 14A. Right clicking is extremely simple. All you need to do is simply tap with two fingers and it's a right click. You can see I've right clicked. Clicking in the bottom right corner doesn't work by default, but I'm gonna check it now in the settings if we can do it, because I know that some prefer to actually click on the bottom right corner of the touchpad instead of tap with two fingers. So if you go to settings, then device, then touchpad, you can see there is an option to use touchpad and keyboard to right click. So no, you don't have the option to click with the bottom right corner of the touchpad, but you can enable use touchpad and keyboard to right click, and you can set it to either launcher and click or alt and click. The launcher key, by the way, is this one, the one that replaces caps lock on Chromebooks. And if you select that, now if I click with one finger while holding launcher key, it right clicks. So it's sort of like on MacBooks, you have the control key, and while you hold on it and click with one finger, then it'll do a secondary click. So this is exactly the same. You can also set it to alt and click, which I honestly prefer. And that's about it. I hope it was helpful, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one, of course.